Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this video, and today I will tell you some tips and tricks regarding the Galaxy Watch. So let's get started. So the number one tip I want to tell you about the Galaxy Watch is that if you use a lot of apps and every time you have to rotate the bezel to go to your favorite apps, this will help you a lot. So go into the settings and here scroll down to apps. Here you will see an app order option and change it to the most recent first. Now you will only see your most used apps just by a single click on the home button. Talking about the next tip, if you wear your Galaxy Watch during swimming or while taking a shower, this will help you to stop accidental triggers on the Galaxy Watch due to water. So to enable it, swipe down the notification panel. Here just press and hold an icon and press on the add button. Now scroll down to the water lock mode. This will help your Galaxy Watch to prevent accidental triggers. So the next tip most of the people know, but if you're one of them who don't know, it is for you. You can take a screenshot everywhere in the Galaxy Watch. So to take a screenshot, press the home button and swipe it to the right. It will take a screenshot and will save to your gallery, from where you can send it to your phone. If you are curious that can I lock my Galaxy Watch? Yes guys, you can lock your Galaxy Watch to avoid people using it. So go into the settings and scroll down to security. Here you will see lock option. Now go to type of lock and choose the way of locking your watch, like pin, or you can even use a pattern lock. If your watch is disconnected from your phone, you will see this little icon at the top of the watch face, which is sometimes annoying. And if you want a clean look of your watch face, just go into the settings and tap on watch faces, and now scroll down to status indicator and turn it off. Now you will have a clean look of your watch face even if you're not connected to your phone. Next thing is simple yet handy. You can remap your home button to any shortcut you want. Just go into the settings, here go to advanced and tap double press home key. Now you can select your favorite shortcut that you want just by double pressing the home button. I have set it to recent apps so that I can save my Galaxy Watch from draining the battery by closing all the apps at once. Okay guys, in the last I wanna talk about Bixby. Bixby on the Galaxy Watch is still not helpful. You can encounter accidental triggers of Bixby even if you're not saying hey Bixby. So to turn off Bixby, go into the menu and here move to Bixby. Now move into the settings and turn off Bixby. It will save you from lot of accidental triggers. That was it guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.